All right, hello Alabama. It is another beautiful day in Verbena, and we are doing another update on the beautiful bird sanctuary. The red roses, petite roses, had to come out of the head. They were too big and washing away, so now they're replaced with these beautiful flowers. We have these beautiful flowers that are climbing vines. We have this gorgeous bird feeder, hummingbird feeder, and I'll walk you over to the houses in a minute. Give you a few view, Mr. Turtle. Ooh, sorry about rain. So that's where the roses moved to. That's where our daylilies moved. And over here we have some wild not sunflower, they're wildberry, whatever. And they're supposed to attract hummingbirds and monarch butterflies. The swing is just gorgeous here in this setting. You could just sit here. We have got our other green pump, and let me walk you over here. The beautiful house. Can't wait to see who chooses that as home. This other beautiful bird house. We do have our solar eye bird feeder there, and it's able to pick up everything. And then we've got this beautiful lawn set out here. Y'all are going to see me moving around a little bit. And let's see if we can get the whole view for you. I mean, is this just not absolutely gorgeous? It is just heaven on earth. That's that big bird feeder up there. And I've already had some cardinals come up to say hello, some little sparrows, a beautiful bluebird. Of course, our mockingbirds are still here, not very happy with us. Oh, this fountain is gorgeous. A beautiful cement fountain. We're not getting a lot of sunlight right now. We're under the oak tree. So beautiful, though. So beautiful. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. But this sanctuary is coming together so beautifully well. And I still haven't finished this project. This is my little pond project that I'm going to be working on later. And I can't wait to see that. But look at that. Isn't it just gorgeous? If I was a bird, I'd want to live here. So I can't wait to see how many beautiful friends we catch on camera. And see if we can make their lives a little happier. That's the back of that, the head bird feeder. Isn't that gorgeous? I think it looks better than with the petite roses over there. Mr. Turtle is keeping guard, making sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to. But yeah, this is it, guys. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I can't wait to hear back. And any ideas you guys have, let us know. Because we want to make this the happiest bird sanctuary in the state of Alabama. So this is we're trying to get our backyard bird sanctuary certified. So all of these beautiful things are to make wildlife happy again. It was good talking to you guys. Have a great day.